Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City, right off the Atlantic City boardwalk, in between the boardwalk and the beach. I'm heading over to Ocean, gonna hang out at the park a little bit, maybe grab a coffee and a sandwich and just sit down and chat with you guys and show you around the park a little bit today. So that's where I'm heading right now. I'm staying at the Hard Rock. Let's head on over to the Ocean, shall we? Some of you had mentioned that I've done so many Atlantic City videos and boardwalk videos, but never mentioned the Boardwalk Cats project, so here I go. The cats living along the Atlantic City boardwalk are fed and cared for by Alley Cat allies and volunteers. These cats are part of a trap, neuter, return program in which they are neutered and vaccinated. Please don't feed the cats and don't leave cats at this location. There's projects like this up and down the Jersey Shore. If you want more information, just go to alleycat.org. By the way, this is the first time I'm using a brand new camera. It might be a little shaky and a little blurry and the sound might not be that great. I'm learning. This is kind of like a experimental video, so bear with me. Once I get the hang of it, it'll be worth it. The pictures and video will be much clearer on the New York channel. Looks like the Showboat Water Park is coming along now. Will it be ready by spring 2023? We'll see, but they're working at a pretty fast clip right now. Well, I'm here at the Ocean, so I'm going to head up those scary escalators up to the, I believe it's the 11th floor? I don't know. We'll check once we get inside. But that's where the park is, and that's where that sandwich pastry place is that I'm going to stop off and grab something to eat and drink and sit outside with you guys. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. So here we are. I'm going to stop off at Cappuccino, see what they have to offer as far as a late breakfast or an early lunch, something like that. It's about noon. Not crazy hungry, but just grab a little something so I can head out to the park. I think most of you know by now that the park here at the ocean is one of my favorite hangouts in Atlantic City, and I'm gonna say 80% of the trips I do here to Atlantic City, I eventually end up here at the park one time or another, 80% of the time. Today I stopped off at the Cappuccino and I ordered something here. In a little paper bag, I ordered a grilled cheese. Let's see what this looks like. It is windy out here. Well, that looks pretty good. Of course, once again, one-handed, I'm trying to show you guys. There we go. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I got some salt and pepper. I'll put a little of that on and we'll see what this sandwich is all about. Looks good. I knew it wouldn't take long before I found a couple of friends out here. So as I said, I have a new camera which I'm using today. This video is kind of like an experiment. I come here often, so if it doesn't work out, that's fine. I'm sure I'll shoot another video here soon. But it's kind of just an experiment so I can get used to this camera. It's the first time I'm using it. Got a lot of features. I looked at it last night for about 30 minutes and tried to get the basics down. So it's got a zoom and things like that. And I do have a windscreen on it right now, so hopefully it's blocking the wind. If not, I have another idea for that. And again, if the video looks a little awkward or something, this camera is more of a handful than what I'm used to as well. It's heavier, it's bigger. But like I said, I think the pictures eventually are going to be much nicer. So if it's a herky-jerky video, I apologize. I need to practice with this camera. In the meantime, I'm enjoying a wonderful grilled cheese. It was $8.99. Tastes really good. 2 types of cheese. It looks like American and Swiss. And when I'm done eating my little sandwich here, I'm going to take a little walk around the park, see what's going on here at the ocean, and then work on some more videos today. One thing I do have to get used to is when I put my sunglasses on, the screen on this camera goes completely black. I don't know if it's something about these glasses block the image on the screen. So that's not going to work out. I'm either going to need new glasses or figure out something because I can't actually see what I'm recording. So I'm staying at the Hard Rock. Speaking of dogs, this morning I got on an elevator. It was me, a gentleman, and that gentleman's fully grown pit bull. I wasn't expecting that when the elevator doors opened, and it was quite an unnerving ride for about 40 floors. So the dog was very nice though, thank goodness. I could be wrong too, but I believe most of these hotels now in Atlantic City are pet friendly. There's certain floors, just like smoking, there's certain floors that are set up for pets. Just wasn't expecting one quite that large. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the park here today. I grabbed a quick lunch. I have a lot of videos in store for this afternoon that I have to record. I'm only using this camera for this video. Once I get it home and edit it, I'll see what the pictures look like and what adjustments I need to make and so on and so forth. Right now it's difficult to handle. I have that issue with the sunglasses and the screen going black. I'm also very afraid I'm going to drop it because I don't have a wrist band for it yet. So lots I need to learn. Hopefully this video will come out fine. Leave comments below. Let me know if you noticed any difference in the camera quality at all. Hopefully you did. If not, let me know that as well. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.